Hey guys, Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening Canning Recipes, a little bit of everything. It's no secret, guys, that we have a freeze dryer and that we freeze dry our herbs. So we've picked up a tool that we think is going to help us because we do package our herbs in glass jars. Let me show you what we got. It is an electric mason jar vacuum sealer, and it is very compact, and it's going to save me a lot of time. And you plug it in and you let it charge. Now let's see how it works. I've just pulled out my holy basil from the freeze dryer, and it smells delicious, guys. So let me show you. We go ahead and pack this in jars because we think that we can keep an eye on it, and it keeps vermin out when it's in our pantry, and we just want to keep our herbs fresh. So I have my jar packed, and I'm going to go ahead. It came with some lids, guys, and we're going to test this out. Now, holy basil is great for inflammation, for anxiety, for sleep. So this is something I love to freeze dry. So let's check this out. We're going to put this right on top here. Push it down, and then we're going to hit start and see what happens. So it looks like it's sucking all the air out. Let's see. Okay, so looky there. We get a seal, and it's very, very quick. This will help keep our herbs good for probably about 10 to 25 years. But of course, guys, we will consume them long before then. I'm going to put the link down below if you're interested in this. And I'll also put the link down below if you're interested in a Harvest Ripe freeze dryer. Thank you for watching. Guys, I think you'll like this. Take care. See you soon.